Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are going to make creamy avocado banana smoothie, which is delicious and nutritious at the same time. This smoothie is incredibly rich and filling, making it a great option for breakfast or as a post-workout treat. To make this smoothie, we will use one fully ripened avocado and one fully ripe banana. And to this we will be adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 2 to 3 dates, both soaked in water for about 20 minutes. To this we will add 1 glass of milk, that is roughly 250 ml, and we will blend everything until nice and smooth. Now to this we will add half glass of water to thin out the smoothie a bit. Now blend again until everything is well combined and you have a smooth, rich texture. So here our creamy avocado banana smoothie is ready. This is not only incredibly satisfying, but it is also packed with nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. It's a perfect for a quick breakfast, a post-workout drink, or even a healthy snack. If you tried this recipe, let me know how you liked it in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.